somebody who's injecting testosterone cypionate or testosterone enanthate is screwing this all up. Now, that used to be all that people had, so they did whatever they had. But now we have fast-acting options that are absolutely superior, will build more muscle, will give you better sexual function. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective on a lot of different subjects having to do with health, wellness, hormones, peptides, a lot of things people are very interested in. Today, I want to talk about the people who tell you that when it comes to your testosterone and your testosterone replacement therapy, that you need even levels of testosterone. You hear this all over the place. That is absolutely stupid. Because this is what your testosterone looks like when your body creates it. You can notice it's about 60% higher in the morning than it is in the afternoon. So if your body massively upregulates it in the morning and downregulates it in the afternoon and at night, why would you want even levels? It might be the fact that you just don't know what you're talking about, or you're listening to people that have no idea what they're talking about. And even levels sounds great, but that's not how the human body works. The human body does not want even levels. And in fact, it seems like when you use fast-acting testosterone in the beginning of the day, seemingly agnostic to dosage, now we're still playing with different dosages that are within natural levels, so nobody's going super physiologic. But if you keep the testosterone early in the day, where the body would normally put it without testosterone replacement therapy, if you had natural high-level testicular function, the side effects are either much less or non-existent at all. And here's a paper about how short, or I think they call it short-acting testosterone, I call it fast-acting testosterone, is more physiologic. The reason it's more physiologic is because it's the same as what the body normally does. So you, in case anybody's confused as to what we're talking about, somebody who's injecting testosterone cypionate or testosterone enanthate is screwing this all up. Now, that used to be all that people had, so they did whatever they had. But now we have fast-acting options that are absolutely superior, will build more muscle, will give you better sexual function. I don't want to mention all the side effects that are associated with testosterone usage, but they seem either less so within normal range or don't happen at all. So again, I want to be crystal clear here. As you see in the graphic of what happens, and I'll put it up here again, what happens with normal testosterone as your body up and down regulates it naturally, you do not want even levels of testosterone. That is just absolutely dumb. Don't do it. Ask me questions in the comments. Try not to be a jerk in the comments, because there's been a whole bunch of jerks commenting on my previous videos about this where I was a lot more polite, but ultimately you guys are just wrong. And it's fine that you're wrong, but whoever you're listening to is also wrong. And maybe you just think even levels sounds like a good idea. Well, okay, maybe, but in this case it's not. So, and we have plenty of evidence and papers, different studies that confirm exactly the same thing that I'm talking about. Another thing you want to keep in mind is there are people with naturally high testosterone. Typically they're of African American descent, or African descent I should say. How come they don't have side effects? Like, if you have naturally high testosterone, shouldn't you have like acne and thickening of blood, and you gotta give blood once a week, otherwise you could have serious health problems? Like, why doesn't that happen with somebody that has naturally high testosterone? It might be because the body up and down regulates it so that these things don't happen. So something to keep in mind. Ask questions in the comments. Try not to be a jerk, and I'll answer your questions. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people.
especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.